Let's understand what is this extends keyword. This is our prerequisites to create an object in our Java. I'm covering each and everything. Okay, I'm covering each and everything. Observe. What is this extends? This is extends. What is this extends? It is a keyword. It is a keyword used in our Java. Okay, na? It is a keyword used in our Java to achieve inheritance. What is that? To achieve what? Inheritance. To achieve what? Inheritance. To achieve what? Inheritance. Mister, what is inheritance? Yes. Getting parent properties is called as inheritance. Getting parent properties is called as what? Inheritance. Okay. So, what is extend? Come on. It is a keyword. Okay. It is a keyword. Keyword used to achieve inheritance. Used to get inheritance. Simple. Simple way. Achieve means what? Get only. Used to get what? Inheritance. Mister, what is inheritance? Yes. What is inheritance? What is inheritance? Getting parent property. Parent properties to child. So getting parent properties to child is called as what? Inheritance. Getting parent properties to child. Mister, what is properties here? Simple. Parent variables and methods to child. That's all. Getting parent class variables and methods to child class. Variables and methods to child class. Understand? Getting what? Parent class, variables and methods to child class. That's all. This is called as what? Inheritance. Okay. This is called as what? Inheritance in our Java. This is called as what? Inheritance in our Java. Okay. It is a keyboard used to get what? Inheritance. What is inheritance? Getting parent class, variables and methods to child class. Getting parent class, variables and methods to parent class, variables and methods to child class. Okay na? Parent class, methods and variables to child class. Okay na? Now, here actually you are having 4 scenarios how to use this extend. How to use this extend, we are having 4 scenarios. Before I discuss those 4 scenarios, I want to talk about abstract class. I want to talk about what? Abstract class. Quickly we are discussing about abstract class only. Yes. We are discussing about what? Abstract class. Okay. Observe here. Now, what is abstract method? First, let us talk about abstract method. Later, we can go for what? Abstract class. What is abstract method? Observe here. I want to declare one method. Like this, I can declare a method. Yes or no? Within the body, I can have greater than or equal to 0 statement. Now, how many statements were there in this method? 0. Nothing like. Now, I don't want to give this implementation, that is body. Okay, can I declare such type of method? Yes, you can declare. How to declare means put abstract here. Put abstract and put semicolon here. That's all. Just make sure how to declare a method. Void m1. Now I don't want to write this starting and ending scope. Can I write a method like that means? Yes, we can write. But we have to put here abstract and put what? Semicolon. Now this method is called as what? Abstract method. This method is called as what? This method is called as what? Abstract method. Called as what? Abstract method. Okay. So what is an abstract method means? Observe here. If we want to declare a method without body or implementation, then use abstract and semicolon. then that method is called as what? Abstract method. Observe here. If we want to declare a method without a body, then we use abstract and semicolon. That's all. Now that method is called as what? Abstract method. Okay, this is the example and this is what abstract method. Observe here. If we want to declare method without the body, then use abstract keyword and semicolon. Okay, then that method is called as what? Then comma that method is called as abstract method. Okay, and that method is called as what? Abstract method. Okay, comma that method. Then that method is called as what? Then that method is called as abstract method. Then that method is called as what? Abstract method. So, what is extends keyword? It is a keyword used to give inheritance. What is inheritance? Getting the parent class variables and methods to child class. Getting parent class variables and methods to child class. Now, what is abstract method? If we want, first we want to discuss about abstract class. So, before we discuss abstract class, I want to talk about abstract method. What is an abstract method? Yes. If we want to declare a method without body, then abstract and abstract. Okay, then that method is called as what? Abstract method. Okay, na? Okay. Now, what is the use of this abstract method? Don't ask me now. Ask me personally, then only I can discuss. Those are some in-depth things. If you go for certification, those are not useful. Okay, now as part of course, okay. Now, coming to example, that is what I have done. Okay. Now, what is abstract class? What is abstract class? Observe this also carefully. Okay. What is abstract class? Simple. Generally, abstract class is what? One special class. It is a special class. What is that? It is a special class. What is that? It is a special class containing. It is a special class containing greater than or equals to 0. Containing what? Greater than or equals to 0. Fully implemented method. Fully implemented method. Hello, what is a fully implemented method? Simple thing. Fully having body. Implementation means what? Fully implementation method. Fully implementation method. Okay. What is implementation? Body. Fully implementation method. Body na? This is what body, right? Or block, right? Method having block is called as fully implemented method. Okay na? Containing methods with body greater than or equals to 0. Methods with body. Methods with body greater than or equals to 0. Methods with body. Other one is what? Greater than or equals to 0. Methods without body. Now, without a body, what those methods are called as? Abstract method. Just now we have learned, right? Yes or no? So it will contain methods with the body and without the body. Now, a method without the body is called as what? Generally, abstract method. So if we want to declare a method without the body, then use what? Abstract and semicolon. Then that method is called as what? Abstract method. Observe here. So what is abstract method? Means a method without body is what? Abstract method. Okay. Then how to declare abstract method? Yes, this is correct. Then that's one. A method without the body is called as abstract method. Okay. How to? This is let me put this one as another question. How to declare abstract method? How to declare abstract method means Ah, yes, how to declare means yes, by using abstract and semicolon. Okay, na? Semicolon. What is semicolon? This one is not semicolon. Okay, example. Then here there it is so simple. Okay, na? So what is abstract method? A method without a body is called as abstract method. How to declare abstract method? By using abstract and the semicolon. Example is what? This one. Okay. Now observe here. What is abstract class? What is abstract class? Okay. Now observe here. It is a special class containing methods with the body and containing methods without a body. So fully implemented methods means methods having what? Body. Methods having what? Body. Methods having what? Body. Other one is what? Methods without body. That is called as what? Abstract methods. Na? So which methods will have no body? Abstract method. Yes or no? So method with the body is called as fully implemented method. Method without the body is called as what? Abstract method. So what is abstract class? It is a special class containing greater than or equal to 0 methods with body, methods without the body. Without the body are called as what? Abstract method. Without the body are called as what? Abstract method. So what is abstract method? A method without the body is called as abstract. How to declare an abstract method? By using abstract and the semicolon. Now what is abstract class? It is a special class containing greater than or equal to 0 methods with the body. Or it can even contain what? Greater than or equal to 0 methods without the body. Those methods are called as abstract methods. Those methods are called as what? Abstract method. Those methods are called as what? Abstract method. Now what is the syntax to declare abstract class? Okay, observe here. Simply put abstract. Okay, put class and write here data type. Special special class like that one. Special class right? So special user data type. What is that one? Special user data type. Same thing. Here you can have what? Constructor. What is constructor? Name for a block. The collective having argument. Their name is what? Similar to class name. Arguments are optional. That's all. Called as constructor. And I can have here abstract method. There is no abstract variable, abstract method. That's all. Okay. Abstract method. And I can have static or non-static variables and method. Variables and method. This is what the syntax of our abstract class. This is what the syntax of our abstract class. This is what the syntax of our abstract class. Okay. This is what the syntax of our abstract class. Please make sure what we discussed. What is an abstract method? I changed the definition. Yes or no? I changed the definition. So a method without the body is called as what? Abstract method. Yes or no? So a method without the body is called as what? It's called as abstract method. Now how to declare that abstract method? So this is simple than that earlier. Okay. Now how to declare that abstract method? How to declare that abstract method? How to declare what? Abstract. How to declare abstract method? How to declare abstract method? By using abstract keyword and semicolon. Yes or no? Yes. Example is what? This one. Abstract void m1. Okay na? Void m1. Abstract void m1. Abstract keyword applicable only for method, not for variable. Okay. You can write only abstract method. We cannot write what? Abstract variable. We cannot write what? Abstract variable. Huh? No. You can write anything. You follow here abstract, what we call that, for abstract method public is possible, return data type anything you can write. Okay na? Anything you can write. Okay na? Abstract method. Okay? Now this is what the syntax of abstract class. Okay. Now if you want, I will use syntax for abstract method. Okay. Syntax. If you want, I can use syntax. Exactly same as what our normal method. Exactly same as our normal method. What is that one? Access modifier. But modifier applicable is what? Just abstract. Now you can have what? Return data type. You can have what? Return data type. And you can have what? Method. And you can have what? Any number of arguments. You can have what? Any number of arguments. And throws class. And it should end with what? Semicolon. No body. No body. Please make sure. Okay, please make sure. No body. No body. Okay, no body. Very, very important. Example is what? This one. You can have what? Even public, abstract. Must abstract is must. You must write. That's all. Okay. Abstract return data type in M2 method. And you can put throws class. Any exception name also you can write. Okay na? It's also value. Okay na?
Void int we can take
Argument we can take. Not over. We can take here as what? Int A, double B you can take. Okay? And this throws class is what? Optional. This throws class is what? Optional. If you want to write, you write, otherwise don't write. Okay? Now normal method syntax also we have seen that. Yes, this throws class is what? Optional. Okay? This throws class is what? Optional. If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise you can leave it. Okay? Now let's rectify this one. Okay? Here we can make that one as what? Optional. Okay? Now okay, how to declare. This is what the abstract method declaration syntax. So what we discussed, what is abstract method? The method without a body is called as abstract method. How to declare abstract method? By using abstract this. By using abstract and semicolon. Syntax access modifier, abstract, return data type, method, argument. Now, what is the example? These two things are example. What is abstract class? Special class containing greater than or equals to 0 methods with body and without the body. Without body methods are called as abstract methods. With the body methods are called as fully implemented methods. Okay, fully implemented methods. Now, what is the syntax? Abstract class data type. Constructor you can write. Other one is what? Abstract methods you can write. Any number of variables and methods you can write. That is static and non-static. Okay. Now, example. Observe here abstract class Anil. Fully implemented method yes, and it can contain what? What is that? Static and non-static. Non-static method this one. Yes or no? This one is what? Non-static method. It is containing abstract method. So for abstract method, body should not be available. Okay. Now this is what? One more example. Yes, containing what? Only abstract method. It should end with semicolon. Okay. Now abstract class containing only body, a method with the body. It can contain either that method or this method, right? Yes or no? So you can have this one. Now other one is what? Very important question. Can we create object for abstract class? Let's make sure we cannot create object for we cannot create object for abstract class. Highly impossible. Can we create object for abstract class means no. Why is the reason? If you want to know the reason, simple thing. Abstract means everything is dummy. Abstract methods will be there, right? So class is not implemented properly, or implementation is not available. Okay, class is not implemented properly. or it is having incomplete implementation. That is the reason. Understand? If you don't understand, ask me personally, I will tell. But if you want to know, just learn. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, na? We can create object for abstract class means no. Can we create object for abstract class means no. We cannot create object for the abstract class. Reason is why? Because of incomplete implementation. Incompleteness is there. Incomplete is there within that class. That's why it is not possible to create object. Okay, na? Okay. Otherwise, all methods within abstract class can be static. That is also one thing. Okay. Now, no, we cannot create. Okay. We cannot create. Now coming to if you want to know reason, because of incomplete class or all methods are with body. I mean all methods are without body. Okay, all methods are what? Without body. All methods are static. If it is static, then we need to create object. We will tell later. Okay. So because of incomplete class, all methods are without a body. Okay. Because of incomplete body connection, that is also not. Because of incomplete. Now, how to create a child class or abstract class? Very important. Observe this. Now think that one abstract class is there. Anil is there. Now abstract class can contain greater than or equal to 0. Abstract methods are greater than or equal to 0. Methods with body, yes or no? Methods with body. Now observe here. Void M1 having no body. Abstract is available here. Okay, now how to create child class for this one? Okay, how to create child class? Very important. How to create child class? Now, if I create a child class for this class Anil, now that class will become as what? Child class. How to create? That becomes as inheritance. How to create? Observe. Class extend. Okay, na? Mohan is what? Child class. Who extends? Parent class Anil. Now this is what abstract class. Incomplete method. Yes or no? Yes or no? A child class must provide logic for those methods. How to? I mean, it should provide a body for those methods. Like this, you have to create. Now, please observe here. Left side is always child class. Anil is there now. Already parent will be available. Then only because of parent only child will come. So Anil is already available. Now Mohan to coming for the first time. So what is the Mohan to? Child class. So Mohan is for child class. Parent is already available, yes or no? Okay. So now for this method, right? Okay, you have to remove semicolon and abstract. You have to give what? Body. Here you can write any logic as you wish. You can write what? Any logic as you wish. Now, if an abstract methods are present, then provide implementation in child class. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then provide a body in a child class. Implementation means what? Body. Implementation means what? Body. Also, that is what is one. Implementation means what? Body. Implementation means what? Body. That's all. Anything different? Anything great here? Nothing great. How to create child class or abstract class? To create a child class, you have to use what? Extend. Yes or no? So, already parent available, then only I can use what? Parent. Now, please make sure. Whatever the word which comes to the left is what? Child. Always left is having less power, right is having highest power. Yes or no? Highest power will be having the parent. Left will have what? Lowest power. That is what child. Understand? Simple to remember. Understand? Simple to remember. Now this is what? One example. Okay. Now one more example. Now one more example. One more example. Abstract class Anil. Void M1. Yes or no? Now class No undo. Extends what? Anil. Now can I write this method as it is here within child class? Can we write down? Yes, you can write, no trouble, right? No problem, right? You can write. Okay, you can write. Okay, valid method. Okay, okay. Now coming to third example. Now abstract class containing both abstract method and it is containing abstract method and also one a method having a body. Now how to create a child class? Within the child class, what I have to do here? What I have to do? Void void m2. It's your wish. Now please make sure here void m2 is having body. Your wish. If you want to write void m2, right? You can write. It is optional. It is what? Optional. This entire thing is what? Optional. This is what? Optional strictly. But right, you must write void m1 with the body. It is must, not doubt in that. This is what? Must. You must write this one. But this one writing in abstract class fully implemented method having this body. That is what optional. This thing is what? Optional. If you want to write, you write. Otherwise, you leave it. Nobody is going to question you. This is what? Optional. This is what? Optional. If you want to write, write. Otherwise, you leave it. Okay, na? If you want to write, you write. Okay, this one is what? Optional. But you must write what? You must write what? Which one? Abstract method. You must write in the child class with body. Understood? You must write within the child class. You must write what? This one. This one is what? Optional. If you want to write, write. But this is what? Must case. This one is what? Must. You must write. No doubt in that. If you don't write, compile time error comes. Okay. If you don't write, compile time error comes. Okay. You must write this one. Why means? Simple reason. You ask me later. I will tell. Okay, na? Must. This one is what? Must. If you don't write, that's all. Error. Okay. You must write this one. Okay. You must write this one. If abstract class is containing any abstract method. Okay. If the class contains, if any abstract methods are present, then provide what? Implementation body inside the class. Okay. Then we must provide. Okay. Then we must provide what? Implementation, that is body in child class. If any abstract methods are present, then we must provide body in child class. Okay, then we must provide what? Body in the child class. Then we must provide body in the child class. Okay, we must provide what? Body in the child class. No doubt in that. Okay, na? No doubt in that. Now, observe, these were the examples. Okay. So how to create child class? How to create a child class or abstract class means a simple thing. How to create class name extends abstract class. But we have to take care. What is that? If any abstract method are present, then we must provide what? Implementation in a child class. Then we have to provide what? Implementation in a child class. Then we have to provide implementation in a child class. This body is a child class. We must provide what? Implementation in the child class. Okay, how to create a child class means observe here. Yes, by using extends keyword. Okay, node. Okay, let me give that one also as a question. Okay, that's what means observe. If any abstract method present in abstract method present in parent abstract class. ASC means what? Abstract class. If any abstract method present in parent class, okay, then during child class creation, okay, during child class creation, okay, is it recommended is it recommended to provide? Is it recommended to provide body to abstract method? Yes. Yes or no? You have to provide or we should not provide? Yes or no? It is required to provide body to abstract, body to abstract method. Body to what? Abstract method. So here, if any abstract methods present in parent class, okay, if any abstract methods present in the parent class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide body? Yes or no? Now observe here. Now observe here. Now abstract class is there. Now I am creating child class. How to create child class? By using what? Extends. By using what? Extends. Now, if abstract class contains any abstract methods in parent abstract class, that is, if any abstract methods in parent abstract class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide body to abstract methods? Means yes, we must provide. Yes, we must provide. Okay, we must provide. Okay, otherwise compile time error you get. Otherwise what will be there? Compile time error. Otherwise what you will get? Compile time error. Okay, otherwise what you will get? Compile time error. Now let me mark this one as what? P. Okay, let me mark this one as what? P. Okay. Now note, in the above code, if we don't write T statement, then what is done output? What happens means compile time error. That's all. What happens? Compile time error. Observe here, very important. Okay. So how to create child class for abstract class? By using extends keyword. Now, one more question. If any abstract method in parent abstract class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide body to abstract method? During child class creation, is it required to provide body to abstract methods? Yes, in child class we must provide. Otherwise, what happens? Otherwise, compile time error. Observe here a small example. Observe here. Class abstract. So it has one abstract method void. Yes or no? Now class A extends. That is extends what? Anil. Now observe here. Now I must provide what? Body for the abstract method. Okay, this is the way. Okay. Now compile this one. How to compile? Source file name is what? Base.java. So Java C base.java. Also here no compile time error. Yes or no? Now I am going to remove this void m1. Okay, remove. Also here now compile time error. Yes or no? You are getting what? Error. During compilation I am getting what? Error. Okay, Java C means compiler. We are getting what? Error? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So how to create child class for abstract class? By using what? Extends keyword. If any abstract method is present in parent abstract class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide body to abstract method? Yes. We must provide. Otherwise, compile time error. And if you want to remove this something, okay, this is what the thing. So this is what we have. So compile time error. Okay. Now this what abstract class Anil. Void m1. Yes. Now it is optional. Now you can write the same method in child class also. It is what? Optional. If you want to write, you can write. Okay. Now what is one more question? Observe here. Now what is that one? What is that one? Observe here. If 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 no if 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 no I mean if fully implemented if fully implemented method fully implemented means what? Yes, methods with body methods with body methods with body. Okay, if fully implemented method, that is method with a body present in abstract class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide, I mean is it required to rewrite 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 those methods? Understand? Is it required to provide, I mean is it required to rewrite those methods? I am asking you the question. In abstract class, you are having a fully implemented method, that is methods containing body or methods with body in parent abstract class. Then during child class creation, is it required to rewrite those methods? No, it's optional. No, it is optional. I mean, it is optional. Simply it is what? Optional. If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, you leave it. It is what? Optional. Observe here. Optional. If you want to write it, you can. Otherwise, you leave it. Not always. Okay, na? Okay, na? Now let me make this one as what? P. Let me make this one as what? P. Okay. Now, no. In the above code, if we don't write P, then what is the output? I mean, is there any compiler error? Nothing. Then output is what? Nothing. No compiler error. Yes or no? Then any compiler error is there? I mean, nothing. If you execute also, nothing happens. Okay, na? Okay. In the above code, if we don't write P, then any compiler error? Then any error? Nothing, no error. And any error means no error. Any error dash. Okay? Any error means nothing. Okay? Na? Now, this is what one more type of class, combined or. Okay, this abstract method must have body, no doubt in that. That is M1, it must. Okay? Now this one is what? Optional. No, this one is optional. Now scenarios of extending the keyword. Case 1. Okay. Observe here. Now class Anil is there. Okay. Class Anil is there. Now void M1 method is there. Okay. Now I can create class Mohan do extends what? Anil. Okay. Now Anil. Okay. Now observe here. Observe here. Now if I want to write those methods, I can write here. Okay. Now observe here. Okay, leave it. Now this is what? Using extends keyword first scenario. Normal class. I mean, my parent class is normal class here. Yes or no? My parent class is normal class. This is what case 1. Now coming to case 2. Case 2. Now normal class. Extends that is parent class is what? Abstract class. Wait. Where simple? For class you should not. For method only. When you write a method, then only how. Okay, na? Now, what is this one? Class Mohan do extends what? My parent class is not abstract class. If you have any abstract method, then I must write what? Body for that method. Yes or no? Yes, this is what case 2. Now other one. What is that means? Abstract class extends another abstract class. Abstract class Anil contains what? Abstract void M1. Okay. Now I am going to create one child class which contains what? Which contains the parent class as what? Parent class is what? Abstract class. Okay. Now here it can have what? Abstract method. Yeah. Which. So normal class extends normal class. I mean a class having a normal class as the parent class. Here my class is having parent class, which is normal class, not at all an abstract class. Now this one is what? My class is having what? Abstract class as the parent class. Now my class, abstract class has what? One more. That is my parent class is what? Abstract, and also child is also abstract. Parent is also what? Abstract class. Okay, this is what the scenario about here. Abstract class. Now what is implement? What is implement? Ditto same. It is used to get what? Inheritance. Inheritance is what? Getting parent class variables and methods to child class. Okay. Okay. Now one trick is there. It must be used. It must be used only if your parent class is interface. Special class. Special class is what? Interface, right? Yes or no? One trick is there. What is that one? When to use implement. When to use implement. Okay, when to use implement. If my parent class is interface, please make sure interface is also what? Special class. Okay, so what is the main advantage of implementation? Same thing as per our implement, what we are getting the same thing, ditto. Okay, why we are using extends means to achieve what? Inheritance. It is also one of the keyword which is used to get what? Inheritance. Which is used to get what? Inheritance. It is used to get what? Inheritance. It is a keyword used to get inheritance. Getting parent variables and methods to child class. When to use implement? If my parent class is interface, that is special class. Interface is what? Special class. Okay, interface is what? Special class. What is interface? Yeah, that's all. It is a special class. Okay, it is what is special class. So what is the interface? It is a special class. We will see how to declare. What is the syntax? Observe here. How to declare a special class. How to declare a special class. How to declare a special class. Observe here. Interface. How to declare a special class called as interface. Interface, one data type. Here you can create public, static, final variable with what means values. Okay, values. Okay, other one is what? Abstract method. Public and abstract method. Public and what? Abstract method. So interface, data type, public, static, final, variable, values, value, public and abstract method. Observe here. Observe this part. Syntax. Public, static, final, variable. Public, abstract method. Public, abstract method. Now, by default, all the variables inside interface are what? Public, static, final. Observe here. The variables inside what? Public and static, final. Yes. Or what means public, static, final. Why means simple reason. Simple reason. If you ask me what is interface, I will tell one more definition. It is pure abstract class. It is what? Pure abstract class. In abstract class, we can contain the method having body as yes or no. It can contain greater than or equal to 0, fully implemented method. It can also contain greater than or equal to 0, abstract method. So there is a chance of containing what? Fully implemented method component. So there is no guarantee that it will contain only abstract method. Yes or no. But interface is what? It always contains what? Abstract method. So it is what? A pure abstract class. It is a pure abstract class interface. It is what? Pure abstract class. Now this is from the syntax. Now by default all the variables inside interface are what? Public, static, final. Okay. So all methods are what? All methods are abstract. So you cannot create any method to initialize those variables by using what? Static. By using static method. By using instance, not static method. That's why it is final, public, static. Public means all, everybody should access. Static means what? Without creating the object we have to access. I will tell in coming classes how to use this one. And what is final? We must provide initialization at the variable definition. Okay. Now coming to by default all methods inside interface are abstract. Why means simple thing. By default all methods inside interface are public and abstract. Why means simple thing. Public means anybody can call it. Abstract means different styles will have different bodies. Okay? Now one interface is there. Anil interface is there. Mohan class is there. Okay. Now this is the size of our interface. He can have the body with 100 lines. Other person is there, Raju. Raju is also changing to this Anil interface. He can also have what the body with 1,000 lines. Different bodies you can have. Okay. Now how to declare and implement interface? Very important. Observe here. How to declare interface in that? Interface Anil. Now I am going to all variables are public, static, final. Yes or no? Now I am going to declare public, abstract, void, m1 method. That's what method. Now public, static, final. Int I is equals to double it. Int I equals to what? Double it. Now observe here how to, this is what declaration. Okay now how to implement? Now class Mohan do. Yes or no? Now I have to use implement. Now my parent class is what? Interface, right? I have to use extends or implements. Implement. When to use implement means if my parent class is interface. When to use extends means if my parent class is abstract class or normal class. Okay. Now observe here, interface is pure abstract class. In an abstract class, if you are having any abstract method, then in child class, what I have to do? I have to provide body. Yes or no? How to provide body means write public, void, m1. Public you should not miss. You must write public. Okay, public. Okay, public. This is what the declaration and implementation of interface. Okay. Now observe here what we discussed. What is extend? It is a keyword. What is extend? It is a keyword used to achieve what? Or get inheritance. What is inheritance? Getting parent and parent class variables and methods to child class. What is abstract method? A body without method without the body called as method without body called as abstract method. How to declare abstract method? By using abstract semicolon. Example. Now syntax is what? Access modifier, abstract, return data type, method, collect views, any number of arguments, throws class. Optional. And you have to put semicolon, must. Now coming to example, this for example. Now what is abstract class? It is a special class containing greater than or equal to 0 methods with body. Greater than or equal to 0 methods without the body. With the body and without the body. And without the body methods are called as abstract methods. Without the body methods are called as abstract methods. Now what is this syntax for abstract class? Abstract class data type. It can have constructor. Yes or no? It can have constructor. It can have what? Abstract method. It can have what? Variables methods. That is static and non-static variables and the method. Understand? Now this is what syntax. Now coming to example. So normal abstract class containing what? Both methods with body and method without the body. Yes or no? Now just only abstract method without the body. Here it is what? With the body. Okay. Now how to create that? Okay. Can we create object for abstract class? Means no. We cannot create object for abstract class. Now because of incomplete. Now how to create child class for abstract class? Simple. Use by extends keyword. Yes or no? By using extends keyword. Now coming to if any abstract methods present in parent abstract class, then during child class creation, is it required to provide body to abstract method? Yes, must. You must provide. Otherwise, compile time error. Observe the example. Now this class is containing abstract method. In child class Mohan do, please make sure left to extends keyword always what? Child class. Left has less power, child. Right has more power, parent. Okay. Now observe here. So you must provide. If I don't write that P statement, compile time error. Then any error, any compile time error means yes. Then any error dash. Yes, there will be compile time error. Yes or no? Yes. Now, if fully implemented a method, that is method with the body present in parent class, then during child class creation, is it required to rewrite those methods? Is it required? No, optional. It is optional. Okay, it is optional. If you want to write, you can. Now, example. Observe here, if I want to write, I will write. Otherwise, I will leave it. It's my option. If I comment that one, okay, if I don't write that P, then any error? No error. No error. Nothing. No error again. Okay, no error. Now, observe here, I have abstract class. One abstract method is there within that one, and a method with what? Body. Abstract method and the fully implemented method. Understand? Now, observe here. Now, within the child class, I must provide body for abstract method. And body for, this method rewriting, it is my optional. It is my optional. Yes or no? This is not my optional. Okay, now scenarios of extent. What is that one? If I create one child class, okay, then there must be one parent. That parent is what? Normal class. Normal, general class. Observe here. Yes, this Anil is what? Normal class. Now I can use this extent to create a child class such that my parent class is what? Abstract class. Such that my parent class is what? Abstract class. Now Anil is what? Abstract class. Now coming to other one. What is that one? Case scenario 3. My child class and my parent both are abstract. My child and parent are both are abstract. Okay, now these are some of the scenarios of extent. To understand this one only, we understood about abstract. Understand? Now, and also don't worry, I completed OOP concept. Part of the syllabus. Yes. Now, coming to implement. What is implement? It is also a keyword which is used to achieve what? Inheritance. Inheritance is what? Getting parent class, variables and methods in my child class. In my child class. Now, what is this? When do you use implement? If my parent class is what? Interface. Interface is not special class. Okay, interface is not special class. What is interface? Yes, it is a special class or pure abstract class, because in abstract class there is no guarantee to write only abstract method. There is a chance to write what? Methods with body also. There is a chance to write what? Methods with the body also. So what is the syntax of interface? Public static interface, data type, public static final variable, and public abstract method. Okay. Now coming to, by default all variables inside interface are what? Public static final. Why public static final? You have to meet me personally, no doubt. Now coming to, by default all methods inside interface are what? And abstract. How to declare and implement an interface? How to declare an interface? Observe here, interface Anil, public static final variable, public and abstract method. Now how to write child class for this one? I have to use implement. My parent class is what? Implement. Now interface is what? Pure abstract class? Yes. So if any abstract methods are there, you must provide body. How to provide body? Like this. But you must write what? Public. No doubt in that. Okay. This is what? How to declare and implement our interface. Okay.